Okay, so this is a tutorial for Animoto. It's a free app where you can make slideshows, little videos. It's really cool. So here's the front page. You can select your style, as you can see here. You can change the music down at the bottom. I went ahead and just used the music that was there. And then I chose the rustic background. So this is like your background. And then once you've chosen your background, you can actually say you would like to access your photos. And so I went into my photos and I decided to access some things that I've taken pictures here at the library for our summer reading club. So you can sit here and choose just as many as you want. I went in and chose about, let's see, I think I chose about 5 or 6 to start. And then you can add things later on. You can add just still photos. You can add things from Facebook. It'll allow you to access the web. All right. And sometimes it will take a moment to upload your items. And you can actually, like it says here on the screen, you can close the app while it's uploading. You don't have to stay here and watch it upload. You can go and do other things. You can get on Facebook or whatever, and that way you don't have to sit here and just wait for it. All right, and then once everything's uploaded, it will generate a preview. Okay, and then it's going to show you the video you made, the background music that you chose, which I just left mine as the default. And then a really cool background. Okay, so that's all of those photos right there. So it was very quick. So you can go back and you can add more. You can add text. You can add, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding some text. Add whatever you want. I decided to, since I work here at the library, I decided to talk about the library. So I'm typing in Arlington Public Library, and Arlington Public Library welcomes you. And so I'm going to go ahead and see what that looks like before I continue. So you can generate that preview again. You can do this as many times as you want. It's actually really good to watch it several times, and that way you can see how it's playing together, and then you can move things around to, you know, better suit what you're trying to do. It's really fun to use this app for, I did a video book trailer, and that was a fun project. And as you notice, it will change it up a little bit each time you generate your preview. It's going to kind of change up the look of it. And I think that's really interesting because you can have all kinds of different looks, and then what you want to do is save the one that you like the best. So as you can see, that text was at the very end. It looked like it was written really cute, like on an envelope or something. It'll kind of make your text do things like that. And so next, I'm going to move things around. So I've got my little, all you have to do is hold down each block and then move it wherever you want it to go. All right, so I want that at the very front. And then I'm going to make another one too. I'm going to make some more text. So I'll say, see you soon, and I want that to be my last block in the video. Kind of like Arlington Public Library welcomes you, and then at the very end, see you soon. And then you want to generate that preview again. Again, this part, it just takes a little bit just because it's kind of calibrating everything that you just did. All right, and now it's going to show what that looks like. So there's the text at the beginning, and then my pictures of the libraries, decorated so cute. And then there's my last slide. I say slide or block, you can call it whatever you want. It's probably better to call it a slide. This down here at what I just clicked on is where if you're ready to, I guess, finish your video, you can go ahead and log in. But I want to actually continue editing, so that's that button right there. And then I'm actually going to add a few more photos because that was such a quick video. Now this is the free version of the app, so it only gives you, I think, about 1.5 minutes on the videos. Of course, if you pay for the version that, or if you get the paid version, it will actually let you make longer slideshows and videos. So I keep saying videos. You can add little videos from your phone to this. You can add pics like I'm doing right here. I'm picking some more pictures of things we've done during Summer Reading Club. As you can see down at the bottom, it already has my already picked pics. They're still check marked. That way you don't accidentally duplicate something. I really like that part. And then here are those pics I just put in. So now I'm going to move those around a little bit. Or I'm going to add, you can actually add text to that pic. So this was a STEM kind of project we were doing. We made these kits to send out to kiddos, and so you can just add text to a photo if you want to. So there's an example of that. And then, again, you can move things around wherever you want. I want to make that one my last photo, and then I want to put this one up here. Maybe add a little text to it too. This is, I say, learn something new. This was, we were showing kids how to do a magic trick. And then I want that one to be my last one. All right, now I'm going to generate that preview again and see what it looks like. All right, here we go. I like how it changes the background each time, so you see it kind of in a different, new way. And then you can see the text that they put on the photos are sometimes kind of off to the side. It looks really neat, just the way that they run it. Okay. So this is kind of how you put everything together. You can go back and continue editing. You can save and produce the video if you're ready to. You can decide to add some small videos. You can add those from your phone, whatever you'd like to do. I think I'm going to add one more text box here. Talk about, since all these pictures are from our Summer Reading Club, I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. And then I'm going to move it, all right, number 2 spot. Okay. And Okay, so since I said at the beginning, Arlington Public Library welcomes you, and then I went ahead and went in and edited and said to Summer Reading Club 2020. Okay, so there's that, to Summer Reading Club 2020. There's all our fun things we're doing this summer in our beautifully decorated libraries. And this is just some of the stuff we're doing this summer. We got all kinds of stuff going on. So at this point, I like my video. I'm done with it. So you can go right here and you're going to type in your information here, and it will ask you to create an account. But like I said, this is a free account. And that's it. That's Animoto. You guys enjoy and have a good time with it.